Damps.
Man, I am done. I'm done because I'm here editing these videos and I'm looking at all the content I've accumulated over the course of maybe the past 2 years versus how much I've dropped, because I haven't dropped a lot. And I'm like, why the hell are we blurring out these guys' faces? You guys know the type of money you're missing out on? The modeling contracts, the influencer money, the sponsorship money. People need to see your faces. You guys are trying to hide your face after you get one of the craziest transformations you'll get in your entire life. And like, it's just blowing my mind because people go get a hair transplant after the surgery, not a year later or 2 years later. After the surgery, they're letting the hair transplant doctors post their before and afters. You understand you just got probably the worst haircut you'll ever get in your life right before the hair transplant. And then you're dancing and all this stuff with a swollen head after the hair transplant. And you know what it comes down to, guys? This is obviously a little bit comedic, a little bit, but it's branding. And I don't know how to market this in a way. It's coming slowly, but it's taking too much time for me to have to always blur you guys' face out. If you guys see, look at this, look at all these, there's people that have sat in this chair that are legit models. If you are not making the money you need to be making as of yet, then you should not be blurring out your face and taking every opportunity for attention. This is absolutely like, I'm just looking at, I'm editing this stuff, I'm like, yo, this guy looks good, bro. Like, it's crazy. If you guys saw this guy's face, you'd be like, wow. You know what I mean? The raw emotion that these guys have after they sit in my chair, wow. It's immediate. It's immediate. You're not sitting down for surgery, then have to go wait a year or 2 years for results. At that point, the hype subsides. It gets past. I don't know what to say. But I've been thinking about it. You know, maybe go into plastic surgery and hell, that's a lot of time. But, you know, maybe go the hair transplant route, you know, and become a hair transplant doctor. And I know a lot about hair loss. You know what I mean? They call me doctor already. A lot of the work I've done. So, we'll see. But it's just super frustrating to have all this content loaded up. I have so much content. You know, you don't really want to edit it. You don't want to edit people's faces up, because that's where you really see the transformation. You know, I know you can see the hair and it makes a big difference, but the real transformation is in the face, because that's where you see the energy, you see the personality, and ultimately you really get to see how good our work is at Damps.
Damps.
Different. You're going back a different. Straight ahead. Okay, now.
Damps.